In this problem, I'm going to look to write the equation of a line, but I'm going to use standard form this time. So to start with, I still need to find my slope. So I'm just going to take the difference of my y's, so 2 minus a negative 3, over the difference in the corresponding x's, negative 3 minus 4. Subtracting is equivalent to adding the opposite, so I get 5 over negative 7. So here's my slope. Once I find my slope, I can just plug it into my slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to substitute in a set of x and y coordinates as well as my slope and solve for b. So when I do that, I get a y value of 2, my slope of negative 5/7, my corresponding x value negative 3, and solve for b. So here I get a negative times a negative gives me 15/7. I'm going to turn 2 into sevenths. 2 is 14/7. And so now when I work to solve this and isolate the b, I'm going to subtract 15/7 from both sides, leaving a negative 1/7 for my b. So my slope-intercept form is going to be y equals negative 5/7x plus a negative 1/7. So this is slope-intercept form. In order for me to convert this into standard form, what I'm going to need to do is get rid of my fractions. So I'm going to multiply every single term by the LCD of all the denominators. So I have a 1, a 7, and a 7. So I'm going to multiply every term by 7. That'll get rid of my fractions, giving me 7y is equal to negative 5x minus 1. And my final step is to move my x and y's together to one side. I'm going to make my x's positive, so I'll move this over to the left side. So it becomes a plus 5x plus 7y is equal to negative 1. And that would be my standard form.